some home remedies which will help you control your diabetes and slowly even cure it. Cucumber, bitter gourd and tomatoes. One can make a juice of these at home only and drink it regularly. Cucumber, bitter gourd and tomato. These are easily available. Their juice can be prepared at home itself. Take 1 cucumber, 1 bitter gourd and 1 tomato. Make their juice and drink it on an empty stomach every day in the morning. It will be very beneficial. Afterwards in breakfast, one may have sprouts or milk or such fruits which are less sweet. They can be taken. Although this juice itself is enough. Juice of 1 cucumber, 1 bitter gourd and 1 tomato taken on an empty stomach. In this juice, you can also add 7 flowers of Sadabahar, that is Vinca rosa. Take white flowers of Sadabahar, they are more effective. Drink juice of Sadabahar flowers, cucumber, bitter gourd and tomato in the morning on an empty stomach. The first home remedy. Second remedy, soak 2 gram seeds of fenugreek overnight and eat them in the morning on an empty stomach. Powder the seeds of jamun, that is blackberry, and take it regularly. Although jamun itself is effective in diabetes, its seeds are also very helpful. They are available in market as well. Grind them to a fine powder and take a dose of 2 grams each in the morning and evening. Take bitter gourd, cut it into pieces and dry it. This also can be taken in powder form in the dosage of 2 grams each in the morning and evening. Take this home remedy. One more important tip, you keep this in mind. When you make the juice of cucumber, bitter gourd and tomato, you have to add 7 white flowers of Sadabahar. Similarly, add 7 leaves of neem also into this. 7 leaves of neem, 7 flowers of Sadabahar, 1 cucumber, 1 bitter gourd and 1 tomato. Make a juice of these and drink it. In case you find it cumbersome, there is one more alternative. Make a powder of the following ingredients like fenugreek seeds, bitter gourd. Fenugreek seeds, bitter gourd and neem leaves. They are all easily available. Fenugreek seeds, neem leaves, bitter gourd. These are all easily available. Add seeds of blackberry which are available in the market. Also take chiraita. And if chiraita is not available, then take kalmeg. Chiraita or kalmeg. Take one of these. It's difficult to get original chiraita, so you may take kalmeg itself, which is comparatively cheap. Add giloy also. Powder and mix them all. These are 7 ingredients. Powder and mix them together. And take a dosage of 2 grams or 5 grams each in the morning and evening on an empty stomach with water. It will control your diabetes. This is a home remedy which is very good. There is a special porridge that we often recommend, which if taken regularly for 21 days, one may not even have to take even insulin. With the practice of pranayama yoga abhyas, also the dosage of insulin decreases. It really happens. Actually, we want everyone to know how to get rid of diabetes that has become a major problem throughout the world. The solution is to take shelter of yoga, to take shelter of natural methods. So you can prepare a porridge. Take 500 grams of wheat, 500 grams of millet, 500 grams rice and 500 grams green gram. So take 500 grams each of these 4 cereals. Add 20 grams caraway seeds, 50 grams white sesame, 500 grams each of wheat, millet, rice and green gram. Roast it in a vessel for some time. Add 20 grams caraway seeds without roasting it and 50 grams white sesame. So your porridge is ready. Grind them thick. Take 50 grams of this mixture and boil it in water equivalent to 700 grams. When it becomes thick, add little green chili and ginger as well. Add coriander leaves, ginger and pieces of green chili in it. Do not add clarified butter in it and do not season it. Eat this porridge for 21 days and also the juice of cucumber, bitter gourd and tomato with Sadabahar flowers and neem leaves added into it. I am 99% sure that within 20 days, in some cases 3 or even 7 days, diabetes may be controlled. You may not even have to take insulin. Get yourself checked on every 2nd or 3rd day. Otherwise, you may risk getting hypoglycemia, in which sugar level reduces too much. So keep this in mind. It immediately controls the diabetes. That's why you have to reduce your insulin as well as medicines. So eat this porridge regularly. Then there are certain Ayurvedic medicines also. Those can also be taken. Although I keep them at 5th place in preference. First, pranayam. Second, acupressure. Along with that is asana. Then natural home remedy. And at 5th place is this Ayurvedic treatment, Shilajit. It's a safeguard against diabetes and its complications. It activates the pancreas and helps you to get rid of weakness in the nervous system, general weakness, stress and many other such problems. For diabetes, you may have 1 drop each of Shilajit twice in a day, in the morning and evening, provided it is pure. Our aim behind preparing medicines in the ashram is not to gain profit for the ashram, but make it available to those who are suffering from some chronic ailment and they are able to procure these medicines from us. So for diabetes, take 1 drop each of Shilajit, also Madhunashini, 1 or 2 tablets each. Although the severe urinary problems are effectively controlled by Kapalabhati and Mandukasana, one may have 1 tablet each of Chandra Prabhavati as well. 1 drop each of Shilajit, 1 or 2 tablets of Madhunashini and 1 tablet each of Chandra Prabhavati. Even if you use just one of these 3, the problem of diabetes will be controlled. You may not even have to take all the 3. Shilajit, Chandra Prabhavati and Madhunashini. These are the Ayurvedic medicines which one may have to take to control diabetes. The best curative method is Yoga Abhyas. Adopt natural method, always keep happy and have a little control over your diet. Avoid overeating, drink water 1 hour after the meals, drink water after getting up early in the morning. Avoid having too much of sweet items, consume more green vegetables. That's all. Avoid having curd at night. Don't eat heavy stuff, eat only such stuff which is easily digestible. Do not eat too much at a time. That does not mean that one should keep eating throughout the day. It's a misconception that one feels very hungry in diabetes. Take your morning breakfast, then after a gap of 3 or 4 hours, take afternoon meal. If you feel very hungry, then around 4 or 5 in the evening, you may take some fruit, which is not very sweet. For example, papaya or an apple, you may have such fruits. Or take the juice of cucumber, bittergourd and tomato. Finally, take dinner. So with little care, I am sure that your diabetes will not only be controlled, but cured over a course of time. Thousands or millions of people have already been benefited by adopting this knowledge of yoga. I believe that your problem will also be solved. In addition to this, it will save you from the side effects, the complications which occur due to this problem, that is diabetes. It would be a bigger achievement. Keep yourself healthy. There are thousands of millions of people in this country and throughout the world who are suffering from this disease, that is diabetes. You must inspire them also, because diabetes may even result in untimely death. A diabetic may live, but will have a very poor health throughout his life. Diabetes is an enemy of human being. And you can get the whole world, get rid of this enemy. One just has to take the shelter of yoga. Come, Yogam Sharanam Gacchami. Let us all take the shelter of yoga and make this world free of all kinds of problems, including diabetes. You yourself become disease-free and make this world disease-free as well. Start practicing yoga right from now so that you may never have to face problems like diabetes and you live a healthy, joyful life. And for this, it is very important to practice pranayam for half an hour and asanas along with minor exercises for 15 minutes. And if unable to do this, I request you to practice 2 pranayams essentially, Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom. You will never suffer from any ailments. So this was a special program for the patients of diabetes, a disease by which thousands of millions of people are suffering. They may be benefited by this program and live a healthy life. I am sure that you will definitely be inspired to practice yoga. If you have enough time to take medicines, then how it's possible that you do not have time for yoga abhyas? Your ailments will definitely subside. I am sure yoga will help you to get rid of all ailments, including diabetes.
Always remember, control your diet, indulge in physical work, avoid worries and tensions, avoid eating sweet stuff. Also keep away from fried stuff, junk food, cold drinks, burger and pizza. Diabetes should have the following: chapatis made of thick grinded flour, green gram, cosinus casan and chickpea lentils, bitter gourd, patol, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, spinach and bathua in vegetables, papaya and guava, etc. in fruits, in small quantity. Always remember, diabetes should have the following: have sprouted cereals, cow milk or buttermilk for breakfast. Keep away from rice, curd, sugarcane juice, sweet lime, papaya, pomegranate, fig, chiku, apple, sugar, jaggery, unrefined sugar and other stuff like potatoes. Avoid sleeping after lunch. After meals, take a long walk of about 3 to 4 kilometers. Keep away from smoking and drinking. Home remedies. Make juice of 1 cucumber, 1 tomato and 1 bitter gourd. Drink it on empty stomach in the morning. It would be very effective. Chew 7 leaves of neem or 7 flowers of sadabahar, Vinca rosea, with plain water on an empty stomach. For immediate relief from diabetes, drink juice of cucumber, tomato and bitter gourd with 7 leaves of neem and 7 flowers of sadabahar, Vinca rosea, added in this. Blackberry is very effective in diabetes. Prepare a powder of its seed and take 1 spoonful each in the morning and evening with water on an empty stomach. Fenugreek seed, dry bitter gourd, seeds of blackberry, chiraita or kalmeg, kalijiri and giloy, take all these in equal quantities and make a fine powder. Take 1 spoonful of this powder in morning and evening with water on an empty stomach. Soak 2 grams of fenugreek seed in water at night. Drink this water in the morning and chew the soaked seeds. Take 500 gram each of wheat, rice, bajra, millet and green gram. Warm them very slightly and grind to make their porridge. Add 200 grams of ajwain and 50 grams of white till in this. Boil 50 grams of this porridge in 400 to 700 grams of water. For taste, add coriander leaves, ginger and pieces of green chili. If consumed regularly for about 1 month, diabetes may be controlled effectively. Ayurvedic treatment. As per the advice of Ayurvedic practitioner, take 1 drop each of Shilajit in the morning and evening with milk. Take 1 vati of each Chandraprabhavati and Madhunashini vati half an hour before or after meals thrice a day.